All right, so to calculate my profit, I'm going to do 680 times $183. That is the profit I've just made now, and I've made a total of 124,440 naira as profit just within an hour. Hello cryptopreneurs, welcome to another edition of CEOs, Crypto Edutainment and Opportunities. I remain the Bishop of Crypto Cathedral. I bring you endless opportunities on how to make money in the crypto space. Today, I'm still going to be talking about crypto arbitrage. Arbitrage trading. These techniques I'm going to be showing you today is a technique that I personally developed for my arbitrage trading. And believe me, it has been working for me very much. This has worked in the past, is working for me, and it will continue to work. And this arbitrage trading, I'm going to show you if you can learn the skill very well. This is an arbitrage that will never get expired. This is an arbitrage trading that will still be useful and relevant in the next 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. This arbitrage trading skills I'm going to show you right now, it's something that you can still use over and over again. It cannot get blocked, it cannot get stuck, it's cardless, it's unlimited. I'm telling you, it's a very sweet arbitrage trading I'm about to show you right now, and it deals on spot trading. I said in my last video that I'm going to do an arbitrage video that has to do with Binance and KuCoin. Yes, and this is the video. All right, so this arbitrage trading is just to be done on a single exchange. Yes, and I'll be diving straight to the point. I'll be going right into the arbitrage trading to show you what you can do to make money for yourself. All right, so for this arbitrage trading, the first tool I use is my tabtrader. I don't know, maybe some of you are familiar with it, but I use it for my technical analysis because you're going to be doing a little analysis. But don't worry, not too difficult. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and how to make the profit, how to make your money for yourself. All right, so you need a tabtrader, and if you don't have one, all you need to do is to go to your Play Store and download tabtrader. It has the free version. I've been using the free version and it has really been helpful. You type in tabtrader. All right, so let me quickly update mine. Basically I use my tabtrader for my technical analysis on my mobile device. That whenever I'm on my PC, then I can use TradingView. But most of you will be using your mobile device for trading, for the arbitrage, and that is why I'm doing this video with my mobile device, so you can see exactly how to get it done. All right, so if you don't have tabtrader, you can go straight to Play Store and register it. I don't know if there is referral links after this video. I'm going to check, but if there's referral link, please check the description section and use my referral. That is one of the ways you can encourage me and tell me to keep up the good work and continue. You got my back. All right, so right now I've updated it. I'm opening my tabtrader. Yes, and this is what it looks like. This is the interface. All right, so once your tabtrader opens, you can use it to monitor your chart. You can use it to do your technical analysis using your Fibonacci. You can use your it has very good technical tools that you can use to analyze tokens, coins and tokens. All right, so right now I have my tabtrader. Okay, you can see you have these are different coins and tokens that I have put on my watch list, so I'm watching out for them. All right, so straight away let's go into Binance. We are going to be working with Binance today. Another day we are going to do that of KuCoin. Like I said earlier on, you need just one exchange. You don't need two exchanges for this arbitrage trading. And we are going to be doing spot trading. It's an arbitrage trading that has to do with spot trading. Just follow me. All right, so right now I'm heading straight to Binance. Let me go to my Binance. We are coming back to tabtrader. Okay, I'm opening my Binance app. All right, so you can see Bitcoin price today is about 23,500, but that's not where we are heading to right now. I'm going to show you a secret. Like I said, this arbitrage trading, you can use it. It will still be relevant even in the next 5 years, 10 years, 15 years from now. This arbitrage trading or this secret will still be very useful and relevant. Once you scroll down, you can see hot, gainers, losers, and 24 hours volume. What you want to click on is gainers. We want to see the top gainers. What we want to do is we want to trade and get at least 10%. Sometimes it could be 5%, sometimes it could be 10%, sometimes 20%, depending on the trade. But I'm going to be giving you the secret, what you are going to be using to get the best out of it. All right, so once you click on gainers, now you will see several coins here that have actually pumped over the last 24 hours that is actually doing well. What we want to do is we want to take advantage of the increase in price and do what I call Jijo. You do jump in and jump out. Once the price just go up almost immediately, within the next hour, you can just jump out and cash out your profit. Yeah, but you do that with a trading tool. That's why I just downloaded the tabtrader, so it will be a guide. Don't fast forward this video. Make sure you watch and understand every single step, every single detail, so you don't end up losing money when engaging in this trade. All right, so once you're up to your gainers, your top gainers, what you want to check is the coin that is doing well over the last 24 hours. All right, so here you can see we have Santos here that is having over 100% increase in price over the last 24 hours. And when we scroll down, we also have Porto, which is also doing about 33% increase over the last 24 hours. So we want to actually take advantage of this pump in price, but we do that skillfully. All right, so usually when I want to engage in this trade, I trade with stable currency. I don't trade with Bitcoin. I trade with either BUSD or USDT, depending on the trade, but preferably I use BUSD because of low trading fee. All right, so I'll be using BUSD for this trade. I'll be doing a live trade and show you exactly how much I will make from this trade right now. Okay, so I'm going to take on Santos. Let me click on Santos BUSD. This is spot trading. All right, so I'm clicking on Santos BUSD. Okay, all right, so you can see this is Santos BUSD. This coin has pumped so very hard over the last. You can see this long green candle. It has gone way higher the top band of the Bollinger band. So it is very, very risky actually to trade this, to engage in this kind of trade, but you can make quick money from it skillfully. All right, but before you engage in any trade or analysis, first you need to look at the pump and look, is it an artificial pump or it is a pump that is built by volume? All right, so what I mean by that is, if you see a trade or a candlestick that, let's say within the last 1 hour we just experienced over 200% pump, that could be an artificial pump. Then it will most likely be followed by a dump. But when you see a price pump that is built on volume, which is there's been a gradual accumulation of this token, so you'll be careful to ensure that you're not buying into an artificial pump so they won't dump on you. So you don't just carry tokens in your wallet and you're waiting for the day the price will pump again to that level, then you sell off. No. All right, so from this chart you can see that from here we have some daily build up in price. You can see that we had some green candle before today, before the pump in today's price. All right, so you can see it's not just an artificial pump, so we can take good advantage of the price at this level. All right, so what we want to do is we trade using the 1 hour candlestick. First of all, once you've identified the token you want to trade that has that increase in volume, then you go to your tabtrader and search for Santos. Now we are dealing on Santos BUSD. All right, so let's go to tabtrader, and what we want to do right now is to add Santos to our watch list so we can carry out an analysis on the price. All right, so to add Santos on your watch list, what you need to do is just click on this plus sticker here. Once you click on it, all right, so at the search box here you can click on Santos. You can search for Santos. All right, so you can see you see all the exchanges it can be traded on. You can see Santos is also traded on Gate.io, Hit BTC, and the rest of them. But what we want to do is that of Binance. We want to monitor for that of Binance. All right, so we click on, usually I click on the BTC and BUSD so I can monitor both together. All right, so I've just added it to my watch list. Check the box and you see it here. You can see the chart. Wow, you can see over 153% increase in price. All right, so we can make good profits, quick profits from this trade. What we need to do is let's click on the Santos BUSD and do a quick chart on it. All right, so you can see the high pump in price. We want to take advantage of this price, of this pump, and ride it in and out, and we are out of the game. All right, so what we want to do is to use our technical analysis to analyze the price of this token to know exactly when to buy and when to jump out of this trade with a good profit. All right, just follow me closely and you will understand exactly how to make money using this means. You can see the price action is still going up and down. So we are going to take this risk and make not less than 10% profit. You can do this several times a day. It's unlimited, like I said. It's cardless. You don't need your card to do anything. No, you can do this. It's an unlimited spot trading arbitrage. Yes, it's a spot trading arbitrage. And once you do this, you make money for yourself. All right, so in case you don't know, in case you're new to tabtrader, if you want to use your tabtrader, what you need to do first is to add the tools. And to add the tools, what you need to do is click on this button here. Once you click on it, you will see here, you can see these are my trading tools. The trading volume, the Bollinger band, the relative strength index, RSI, moving average and also my smooth moving average. Those are the major tools I use in my technical analysis, and also with the use of Fibonacci. All right, so right now I'm going to put on my Bollinger Band, my moving average, my RSI, because all these guides my decision making. All right, so in another video I'm going to be giving you step-by-step guide on how to make use of this. In case you're interested, just drop it in the comment section below, how to start spot trading. So I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to kick off your spot trading and be good at it, from a novice to a professional. All right, so right now I'm going to click on this, then go back. All right, so you can see the price action. Wow, it's still going up and on. So what I want to do, my favorite tool for doing this arbitrage is Fibonacci. Now I use Fibonacci tools to make my money on spot arbitrage trading. That is my number one tool for trading this technique I'm about to show you right now. All right, so what you want to do is to draw out our Fibonacci. How can we get our Fibonacci? All right, so to get your Fibonacci level, you need 2 points, which is the highest price, as you can see on the screen, is $17, and the lowest price where the price pump started from. All right, so I'm going to click on the screen and hold. You can see the line, the dotted line has appeared. Yes, I want to get a straight horizontal line. All right, so I'm going to take this downwards. All right, so you can see the support level at about 5.38 at around this period. So we are going to draw our line. Just take your hands off the line. An option will come out. Yes, we click on horizontal line. Oh yes, okay, so we want to have a base horizontal line. Then we click on this, click on the pencil sign here at the bottom left, so we can draw our Fibonacci level. So once you click on it, you see arrows, ray, trends, and the rest of them. Scroll down to Fibonacci level and click on Fibonacci. What you need to do is take your finger to the top of the price, the highest price, and on the screen here, the highest price is about $17. All right, so we are going to click on 17. You can see, click and hold, then drag down. Click and hold, then drag down. You can always adjust. All right, so drag down to this level, then you adjust and ensure that your line is at the right level, it's touching the right level. Okay, you can see we are on the first level now. All right, so once you've drawn your Fibonacci levels, the next thing to check is to know if you have drawn it properly, if you've drawn it correctly. And to know that, what you need to do is change the time frame from 4H to 1H. That is 1 hour. One candle here representing 1 hour, to know if there are contacts with the Fibonacci levels, if the candlesticks has contact with the Fibonacci levels. All right, so if you check for 1 hour and you zoom closer, you can see that yes, on this Fibonacci level there is contact between this candlestick and this Fibonacci level. All right, so you can see here again, this Fib level here is standing as a resistance level to this candlestick. All right, so you can see, so we are in line. All right, so if you want to also check further, you can change the 1H to 30D. Change the 1H to 30D. Okay, you can see once you change it to 30D, the Fibonacci level is not showing again. All right, so to prevent that from happening, what you can do is change it back to 1 hour. Then we want to draw a horizontal line on each of these Fibonacci levels so that it can guide us to our levels in case the Fibonacci is not there. So it can guide us to our level just in case the Fibonacci goes away. All right, so you can see what I'm doing. Click on the screen and hold. A dotted line appears. Then you direct it to the line of the Fibonacci level and lift your hands off it so that this option could come out. Then you click on horizontal line. All right, so you can see on this Fibonacci level, I've drawn a horizontal line there. I'll do the same thing too to these levels. So even if the Fibonacci level is not there, I still have my levels correctly with this horizontal line. This will not go off irrespective of the time frame. All right, I'll do the same thing here. All right, so I have my levels well boldened. All right, so once I've done this, I change my candlestick back to 1 hour. All right, so this is the strategy I've used over time and it has been helping me. Look at what I'm going to do right now. You can see, remember, always take the Fibonacci level, the top to the highest point in price and to the lowest point where the rally started from, where that increase in price, where the pump in price started from. All right, so once we've established that, we want to believe that this price is going to go down to this first level. And from this first level, it's also going to go up again before it retraces down further. You can trade this over and over again if you're good in it. But if you're not good in it, once you've done the first trade or maybe first and second trade, please exit. If not, you may come out with a loss rather than a profit. What we are doing is a spot arbitrage trading, and we are taking advantage of the price pump. So if you're not skillful enough, you may end up encountering a loss, but just do exactly what I'll be doing in this video, and I'm telling you, you're going to make profit for yourself. All right, so now this is just follow the arrow I'm going to be putting. Now I'm going to insert an arrow to show you the direction of the price. Then I'll set a buy order. I'll use my money and buy this trade so I can test it for you. Then I will set a sell order. Then you see how much profit I'm going to make. Usually when the price pumps and it gets to the first Fibonacci level, it retraces and gets to the first Fibonacci level, it goes back up, but it doesn't get to the previous highest price. All right, so you see, you can see the arrow. The price is going to move from the current price where it is to about 15.9. How do I get 15.9? You can see this line. We have a resistance level at this point. You can see about three candlestick is having contact with this resistance line. So the price will definitely get to this point and retrace. All right, so I have just bought, and I've also set my sell order to about 15.9. all right, so between 14.8 to about 15.9 should give us about 10% profit. So we just need a 10% profit from here, and we're out of this trade. That will be the first ride. After that, we go for the second ride. Hey guys, you can see my order has just been sold off. All right, so you can see the very first order I bought was about $15. It went down further, and I bought again at about 14.8. I bought at about 13.7, and I bought at about 13.8. You can see. So what you need to learn from this is you don't test the depth of the sea with your two legs. When you want to carry out this kind of arbitrage trading, you use part of your portfolio and buy in case, just in case the price is going to go down further. You can still buy again, cost dollar averaging. You buy again at a lower rate, and immediately it comes up, you sell off. So one thing you should do is once you buy, immediately place a sell order. So whether you're online or not, once the price gets to your sell order, it clicks and you are out with your profit. And that is exactly what's happened right now. Know how to use your Fibonacci levels, because that is what will tell you when to enter and when to exit. That is one of my best trading tools, Fibonacci levels. Please, you need to read more of it if you don't know about it. I will still be doing more videos about it to cover up. If you need me to do a specific video on how I trade with Fibonacci level, you can just drop it in the comment sections below. Then I will tell you how I use Fibonacci more. So with this now, I'm going to wait for further retracement, and I will still ride another 10%. You can see, let me show you how much I've made from this trade so far. Initially, I entered with about $1,000, and my target is just 10% profit. And you can see later on, I added more because of course the price went lower, so I bought more and I bought deeper, and I made a profit of $184. Right now I've just made a profit of $184. If you calculate that in naira, you should know exactly how much it is. All right, so let me first check how much is the current rate for P2P, just in case you want to do your P2P conversion. Okay, this 682, but let me use 680. All right, so to calculate my profit, I'm going to do 680, which is currently $1. This is the cost of $1. I'm going to do 680 times $183. That is the profit I've just made just now, and I've made a total of 124,440 naira as profit just within an hour. You can see this is the best spot arbitrage trading. This is the best arbitrage trading you can engage. My target was 10%, but I made less than 10%, and you can see my profit is about 124,000 naira. All right, so you can see if you do this over and over again, you are going to make more profit. All right, so let me see if I can wait for a retracement and I enter again to see if I will make more profit with this same trade. This arbitrage trading don't expire. No, it's not an arbitrage trading that can get closed up. It's unlimited. You can engage in this trading so as much as possible. You can engage in it even up to 10 times a day, up to 20 times a day, as much as you do your technical analysis properly, use your trading tool properly, and ensure you know when to enter, when to exit. This strategy, I've been using it for years. I've been using this strategy for years, and I'm telling you, it cannot get blocked. The feds cannot block this, the government cannot block this, because this is cardless. It's unlimited. Just make your money. Come to Binance. You can do it on Binance, you can do it on KuCoin, but always use tabtrader to do your analysis. All right, so come to your Binance, go to top gainers and pick one trade there, engage in it, and make profit for yourself. All right, so this is Santos. Let me also make profit with Porto. Let me try out Porto BUSD. Okay, let me see.